already. Taking out this front windshield. The easiest way to do it is there's your convertible. Well, I think I'm gonna go out to the dumpster way out there. Just take it out there, then we're right by the dumpster and we can just go around and cut everything open and take out all these windows so we don't have a mess back in the field. That's kind of our goal, to keep it clean in the shop so we don't have any windows to deal with. Yeah, it would be devastating to have be underneath the car working on electrical stuff and having the glass break on you. You know, gotta play it safe, you know. For the side windows, I'm gonna try to get those out too yet. We're just gonna go ahead and take this inside panel off and remove the window. And yeah, I made it difficult for myself. See that? Oh my goodness, you won't believe what So I bought this car with a salvage title. And this is what they put on to hold the panel. Well, let's go ahead and fix that. I thought there's an issue there, but yeah, let's just go ahead and fix that. Alrighty folks, here we go. Got everything. I think we got everything. Boom! Alrighty. here we go. Alrighty, folks, here we go. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! He's way back there.
We're gonna see how the suspension's like.
Oh, I'd say she's solid, boys. I think she looks good underneath there. I'd say she looks good. Forget about the thing of fixing it. I think we're past that point. We're just gonna
send it.
What I have here is a pew pew, a little BB gun, 5.56 BB gun. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pelt it. And one more thing before I forget, we had I forgot to bring the key. So the steering wheel was locked, so we couldn't drive it all the way down here. So what I did is I took the grinder and just cut her open, and then the pin let loose and good to go. Just send it. Alrighty. First off, we'll shoot it from this angle and see what happens. First round. Let's go look at the damage. Alrighty, so we got holes in there, as you can see. Down there, and whew, it's getting hot. Huh, what do we have here? Well, I guess that thing quit working. Let's see where it came out from. And it looks like we do not have an exit. I can't seem to be finding an exit. Probably went in there somewhere, and oh, here. Right through there. Came right through there and into there. Maybe it did come out here. Huh, not really seeing anything. But I guess we'll have to see what we can do.